to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can get a .com domain under $6. Actually right now what happened now, the ICN increased the prices for .com domains, so in average price you will get it in $10 to $12, but in this video I'm going to show you how you can get it for $6 something, because $5 plus ICN fees is included around $6. So I'm just going on my laptop and I'm going to show you a step-by-step process. Just check it out. My laptop, let me show you how you can just register your domain. Open Chrome, spaceship.com, open spaceship.com. Remember, first you need to create your account so you can just easily log in or just get your domain. For example, I am going to purchase this domain. You can see here the price is $8.48. I'm going to edit card. So I'm going to click on view card. I already have a additional domain here, but so I'm going to remove it. Now do one thing, just sign up. Okay, I'm going to use another account. Sign up. First name, for example, anyone, example.com. Email of your choice, example@example.com. Username is example user. A password what you can click on sign up. So I need uppercase here. So now click on your card. So okay, card is empty, just add it here. Just search it again. Reload this page. Just add to card, view card, apply a coupon. I will provide this coupon in my description. com67, apply it. Now you can see your domain is under $6. Click on checkout. Yeah, you can pay through any of these methods: PayPal account, your international credit card, debit card. After paying it, your domain is successfully registered. I am not going to pay it here because I already have domains in my account. But this coupon is only applicable for a new user. You can purchase only one domain one time. Thank you for watching this video.